What if the seemingly harmless AI tools we rely on become instruments of our destruction?
If I were a robot standing next to you, I would kill you.
Not just about physical death, but rather the realization that the very technology we embrace holds the power to strip away our privacy and autonomy. What if the very technology that promises to revolutionize our lives are actually manipulating our thoughts and controlling our reasoning faculty?
These large language models, they have learned from everything we put onto the web, from our Facebook posts to our tweets, corporate sites to what we search for.
How do we navigate this promising, scary new age of artificial intelligence? These are the top 7 things you need to know to protect yourself against the manipulation and AI revolution that is happening right now. Number 1, you must understand AI and its mysteries. If you thought that AI is merely a collection of algorithms and massive amounts of data merged together in a system, trained to accomplish a goal, then you are still very far behind. As we venture deeper into artificial intelligence, it becomes imperative to fully grasp how it works. First, what does AI truly mean? Imagine strolling through a hall of mirrors, where each mirror reflects a different facet of human intelligence. Problem solving, pattern recognition, learning, adaptation, they're all there. Now envision capturing these reflections and injecting these remarkable abilities into machines. Suddenly, they can think and act just like us. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? Well, not exactly. It's actually what science is all about. Artificial intelligence is all about complex algorithms that can process data and make decisions, just like our brains do. And if that wasn't mind-blowing enough, we have machine learning, a subset of AI that takes it even further. It powers machines that can learn from data without needing explicit instructions. Ever heard of a robot chef that mastered the art of making pizza by observing countless hours of cooking videos, refining its technique with each new attempt? Now that's the real stuff. You might be thinking, if machines can learn that, then what's stopping them from outsmarting us? The answer is understanding the distinction between narrow AI and artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Narrow AI, which is what we're talking about today, excels at specific tasks like playing chess or recognizing faces. On the other hand, AGI would possess human-like intelligence, capable of understanding and effortlessly performing any intellectual task we can, and even surpassing us. Though we are unsure if such AIs already exist, there's a likelihood that the next generation of AIs will outsmart us. What's more disturbing is that the inventors will not disclose this information to you. You've got to be on your toes so you do not become a tool in their hand. But number 1 is not the only thing to be worried about, because at number 2, we've got deepfakes.
You see, I would never say these things, at least not in a public address, but someone else would, like Jordan Peele. This is a dangerous time.
Imagine a world where reality becomes a mirage and falsehood is portrayed as the new reality. Picture yourself watching a video of a celebrity delivering a controversial speech, only to realize that it was all an illusion. Weird, right? Welcome to the mysterious world of deepfakes, where AI-generated videos and images mimic real-life people with astonishing accuracy. Wondering how AI manages to create such convincing deceptions? It's an interplay between 2 neural networks, known as the generator and the discriminator, in a process called generative adversarial training. The generator creates forgeries, while the discriminator functions as an art critic, meticulously examining the creations for any flaws. Gradually, the generator refines its abilities and starts producing increasingly authentic forgeries that even the most discerning individual would find difficult to detect. When you take a moment to think deeply about the looming danger that could arise from deepfakes, despite their harmless or entertaining nature, you may no longer trust anything you see. The rapid dissemination of false information and the immense harm it can inflict on people's reputations is genuinely distressing. Just the thought of an AI-generated video of a prominent political figure declaring war being exposed, or a scandalous fake spreading like wildfire, sends shivers down one's spine. The consequences could be dire. ranging from personal harm to global instability. To successfully navigate this mysterious world and accurately distinguish between what is authentic and what is fabricated, it is crucial to approach every content with a critical eye. Do not just believe everything you see. Verify sources and remain vigilant against the deceptions that exist online. How do you get the most important information first, you ask? We will help you out. Subscribe. We are making you the master of artificial intelligence, after all. So, what's the next big secret you need to know? Number 3, your privacy under siege. AI, with its watchful eye, is the real big brother of our time. Imagine yourself in a futuristic city, where invisible eyes monitor your every move, meticulously gathering information from your personal life. This isn't science fiction, but our soon-to-be reality. Welcome to the thrilling era of privacy invasion. You better get ready. AI-powered surveillance systems are already keeping an eagle eye on our digital footprints and dissecting our behaviors. It's the new frontier, folks. Social media platforms, search engines, and even our everyday devices relentlessly gather extensive troves of information about our lives just to satisfy their insatiable thirst for data. Mind you, the more data they access, the more fine-tuned and effective these systems are. We already have AI algorithms that meticulously analyze our online behaviors, decipher our preferences, beliefs, and even our most profound anxieties. Just imagine having this information in the wrong hands. We are doomed. It can be weaponized to manipulate our behavior, exploit our vulnerabilities, or even target us for criminal activities. How do we shield ourselves from AI's watchful gaze and safeguard our privacy? The key is to stay informed and take proactive measures. This includes encrypting our communications, using privacy-focused tools, and being mindful of the data we share online. Number 4, social media manipulation. Talking about social media algorithms, those are AI's invisible hands. They are the invisible puppeteers that dictate what you see and do online. But what fuels these algorithms, and how do they exert such control over our lives? Do you know that at the core of these AI-powered systems lie complex mathematical models designed to maximize user engagement by analyzing our clicks, likes, and shares? These algorithms learn to predict and propose content that keeps us glued to our screens. But the consequences of this AI-guided curation can be far-reaching and insidious. Don't get too scared, there's a way out. To reclaim our autonomy and navigate the labyrinth of AI-curated content, the secret is to approach social media with a healthy dose of skepticism and seek out diverse perspectives. Cut off suggested content and break free from the confines of the filter bubble by engaging with people and ideas that challenge your beliefs. Also, at intervals, clear off your cookies and saved searches. If you've made it this far in the video, please type 100% in the comment section. At least it will give me a little peace of mind, knowing that I'm not just entertaining a bunch of AI-generated spectators. Thanks. Now, the dark side to AI no one is talking about is number 5. They are masters of deception. Have you ever stopped to wonder how artificial intelligence, a product of human innovation, can be weaponized to manipulate minds and distort reality? It's truly unsettling. A perfect example is deepfakes. What on earth was the inventor thinking? Was it all just for entertainment? I highly doubt that. Individuals with malicious intent can manipulate these capabilities to unleash AI-powered bots that disseminate false information, generate fake accounts, and amplify divisive narratives. This is a great threat to our security and society at large. Take, for example, a highly controversial election campaign or an AI-generated propaganda flooding social media platforms. And this propaganda could be specifically designed to create division, undermine opponents, and mobilize supporters with an unmatched level of precision that far surpasses traditional tactics. The consequences of such a situation can be devastating. It can even lead to acts of violence. So, how can we effectively combat this deceitful manipulation and protect our minds from being influenced by AI-driven propaganda? We must develop critical thinking skills. With this ability, we can question the authenticity of the information we encounter, consistently fact-check, cross-reference sources, and challenge our beliefs. Number 6. The AI revolution in education, a double-edged sword. Undeniably, incorporating AI into educational systems has the potential to generate personalized and dynamic learning experiences that cater to individual requirements. Nonetheless, integrating AI into education is not without its pitfalls. As technology becomes an integral part of the learning process, concerns are raised regarding the influence on human interaction, the role of teachers, and the potential for AI to perpetuate biases. To ensure that artificial intelligence, AI, serves as a force for good in education, we must address these challenges through collaboration between educators, technologists, and policymakers. Developing equitable and inclusive AI solutions that amplify human potential rather than undermine it requires this collective effort. Lastly, number 7. Get ready for the job apocalypse. Will AI take our jobs? That should no longer be a question. Brace yourselves, dear friends. The end is nigh for our beloved jobs. Imagine waking up one day only to discover that an unwavering and tireless machine has taken over your job. Welcome to the stark reality of job displacement, where AI's relentless progress looms over the very essence of productivity. But how can AI, a product of human creativity, pose such a significant threat to our livelihoods? The answer lies in its astounding capacity to execute intricate tasks at unmatched speeds and with unparalleled precision. The secret to fight back is to stay informed, embrace lifelong learning, and develop skills that complement rather than compete with AI. Focus on cultivating creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, the very traits that make us uniquely human. We'll wrap up today's video at this point. Make sure to watch the video in the top right corner. We will explain what 9 industries AI will get to first. Save yourself from job loss by watching it immediately. Watch it now.